Good evening. He is now an ex-cop, and he could soon be a federal prison inmate for tipping off a suspect in a drug investigation while he was still on the force.
A federal judge has ruled Brad Ahrenfield's conviction should stand. Let's go to News 13's Jessica Garate in the Newsplex.
Well, Ahrenfield asked the judge to overturn his December conviction for obstructing justice, saying prosecutors didn't prove their case and withheld key evidence. In this paperwork filed yesterday, a federal judge, James Parker, called Ahrenfield's crimes corrupt and said he's guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. 2 years ago, Ahrenfield tipped off a friend that federal investigators were watching him in his downtown car dealership. APD and the FBI suspected drugs and stolen goods were being peddled out of the dealership. Prosecutors say Ahrenfield's tip ruined the investigation and put lives in danger, and that he knew exactly what he was doing. Ahrenfield has always maintained that he was only warning his friend that some of his employees could be up to no good, and that he was also protecting his own teenage son who worked at the dealership at the time. Ahrenfield, who quit APD early last year after a career marked by complaints for lying, sexual assault, and excessive force, will be sentenced August 31st. He faces up to 20 years in a federal prison. Diane?
Okay, Jessica, the cop who tipped off Ahrenfield about the investigation is still on the job at APD. Detective Ron Olivas was demoted and suspended without pay for 3 months. Olivas says that he only told Ahrenfield about the investigation out of concern for Ahrenfield's son.